All right, project like number 20 for this week. I live with three girls and my wife, three little girls and my wife. Lots of hair everywhere in this house. So of course I get in the shower this morning and the water's just pooling up. And so the drain is clogged. So we're gonna go unclog the drain today. You could call a plumber. It'll probably cost you $100 for him to come out and root it, but first things first, let's see if we can solve the problem before we call someone. Go out and buy this little tool for a couple bucks at Home Depot. It's got these little ridges on it. You shove it down in the drain and yank out what we're gonna find a monster of hair. So what we got? We got this thing, a bag to put it all in, which I hope it doesn't fill this bag up. I actually had a nightmare last night where it did. I was like elbow deep in this drain, like pulling this stuff out and putting it in here. And Phillips head screwdriver to take the grate off. So let's go see what science project we got in my shower. All right, so you're not gonna be able to see me, but you'll see my feet. And of course, this is really slippery in here because my kids just took a shower. But we're gonna get our screwdriver, or it's just a Phillips head screwdriver for this drain. That's just 2 screws. Oh, oops. Helps if I got it going the right way. So we'll just undo these 2 screws. Don't drop them down the drain. 1. 2. We're putting them outside of the shower so they don't go down the drain. Oh. And depending how gunked up this is, I may need something to pry this off without breaking it. Hopefully the people put this in when they installed this. There it goes. Oh gosh, it's nasty. Gonna look down here. All right, so here's what we're looking at. That's pretty gross. And you're probably gonna hear Alexa because my kids are downstairs. They're going to bed, and so they're fighting over music and stuff like that. Another thing, gloves for this. This is nasty. Let's just reach in and grab what we can. Oh my gosh, this is. Maybe my dream wasn't so far off. It's almost like, oh, it's a rat. We just found a rat. Oh my gosh. That's enough to make the most solid stomachs churn right there. We're gonna shove this thing down here though. Don't drop it in. And see what else we can pull out. But I think we got most of it. Yeah, nothing came out. Well, that's one way to get stuff. Oh, there it is. So now we're just gonna put the grate back on. I'll clean it off though. I'll put it in the sink and clean it off. And then screw it back on. It's that easy. That job done. You don't want to call a plumber for $100 for just that. All right, last but not least, run the water. See if we fixed it. And clean everything out. So we'll let it run for a minute, see it, make sure it doesn't fill up and come out, because I don't want to get everything put away and have that not be a problem. But I think that was the problem because earlier it was not draining at all. So we'll just clean up the shower, go throw the rat outside, and call it a night. So my wife gave me an idea. While I'm here, might as well snake the sink because you know there's hair down there. So here's our sink. My wife's laughing at me for doing these videos. Just take this and just a little unscrew. And you can pull it up. This one actually looks broken. So that one comes off easy. Well, that one doesn't unscrew. It's got something that sits down in there. But just unscrew it or pull it out like I did. Same thing. And we run our little fishing rod down there. Careful, these things kind of hurt. You catch them. We'll run that down there. Run it around a couple times. See what we. Oh yeah. Oh, ooh, we got some stuff. Oh. Oh my word. Oh. Oh, that's something nightmares are made of. Look at that. And we're not even done. I'm gonna have to put this down so I can clean this off, and we'll run another, run it down again. Round two. Oh, let's see what else we get. Of course, I threw my gloves away, but down it goes. Root around. Oh, not. Oh, don't fish on. We got fish on. Oh, something stuck on something. Oh, we're gonna get this out before we lose it. Oh, that is. Was paper. All right, we're gonna go around and get down again. All right. Oh, get down in there deep. Oh, I can see more stuff coming up. Don't want to lose it. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. All right, that's round two. Let's get this cleaned off and do round three. Round three. Here we go. See, just get more and more with each. Man. Well, we might be clean now. Yeah, it's looking pretty clean down there. We have exorcised the demon. Now we'll go take this out. Okay. So we did those two drains. My wife's like, why don't you do the other ones? I'm like, well, because I want to go to bed. It's 10 o'clock at night. So here we have it. Here is the sludge monster. You know, in Ghostbusters, when they catch Slimer for the first time and they're coming out like holding it, that's what I feel like right now, that I'm just like taking out the demon that was in the house. So you guys can follow me out to get rid of, oh, it's raining. Of course it's raining. Oh, tripping over the, ooh. There it is, and all the other trash is like trying to climb out of the garbage can to get away from it. It's like, no, that's so gross. All right, that's that. That's easy enough. So do that yourself. At least try it, see if it works. Save you a couple $100 from calling a plumber. All right, that's it.